Thank you for looking at our Skoda SCALA. We're now going to show you a short video with some of the great standard features on the vehicle. The great Skoda SCALA comes standard today with rear sensors for parking, front assist for all the safety features that come on the vehicle, and obviously, as you see, colour coordination of mirrors and door handles. As one of our latest models in the range, the Skoda SCALA comes with our latest up-to-date dash and equipment level. Multifunction steering wheel giving you full functionality for radio, multimedia and Bluetooth, along with cruise control and also on the SCALA lane assist. Electric windows and mirrors on the door panel, along with automatic headlights with a full light function for front and rear fog lights. The great wide digital touchscreen here you can see gives you full connectivity for radio, multimedia, Bluetooth and App Connect. So whether you are Android or an Apple user, full connectivity by connecting through the two USB ports onto the screen. Traditional heating system as you can see here with stop start and parking system assist as well. Rear space in the Skoda SCALA is great, so whether children or adults, plenty of legroom and again functionality with the seats with a 60-40 split. Skoda SCALA comes with a great boot space, functionality of the seats we've talked about, plenty of storage capacity and even hooks here for your shopping to hang on to. Once again, thank you for looking at our Skoda SCALA here at the Trust Group. We have a wide variety of models and specifications across our group stock, so please don't hesitate to contact us at www.trustgroupuk.com.